Fluid Home, an architectural masterpiece designed by London-based design studio Alessandro Isola. Located in rural Italy, this house was created as a living solution for a family needing flexible spaces that can adapt to the changing demands of daily life. In these challenging times, Fluid Home offers a design ready to transform and evolve, making it a residence that truly reflects modern dynamics. The overall design of the house includes an architectural extension at the rear of the building, along with a complete revitalization of both the interior and exterior spaces. One of the most striking aspects is the flexibility this home offers. On the ground floor, the main space is designed to foster interaction among family members. This multifunctional space encourages everyone to socialize, learn, work, and of course, spend quality time together. Fluid Home is not just a place to live, but a space that promotes warmth and family bonding. The design innovations featured in the main space are truly fascinating. In this project, the television is no longer the focal point of the living room. Instead of focusing on passive entertainment, the design shifts toward more interactive activities. In the kitchen, for instance, we see a remarkable transformation. This kitchen is not just a place to prepare and enjoy meals, but it also functions as a workspace, study area, and even a social hub. A unique touch in the kitchen is the 3-meter-long wooden table that cantilevers from the kitchen island, appearing to float in the air. This cantilevered table, which seems to have no support, becomes the central hub of the kitchen, integrating seamlessly into the cooking area. Next, let's explore other design features that enhance the home's flexibility. In Fluid Home, both indoor and outdoor rotating panels, as well as sliding screens inside, allow for dynamic reconfiguration of the spaces. This enables the occupants to create various living scenarios that fit their needs and moods. For example, open areas can easily be transformed into more private zones simply by rotating panels or sliding the screens. This innovation ensures the home remains functional and relevant, even as the occupants' needs change. Another impressive design element is the 14-meter-long, double-height oak timber wall that dominates the main space. This wall not only serves as a decorative feature, but also conceals a multitude of practical functions. It contains stair balustrades, mezzanine balustrades, display units, hidden storage spaces, and even a concealed pivoting door that leads to a hidden kitchen area. With all these features, the timber wall becomes a central element that is not only beautiful but also highly functional. One unexpected and delightful surprise is the fireplace located in the mezzanine. which seems to peel away from the wall. This creative moment showcases how design can explore unconventional ideas, adding an element of surprise that enhances both the visual and spatial experience. What makes this home even more special is that almost all elements of the project were crafted by local independent artisans who have perfected their craft over generations. This timeless, traditional expertise is seamlessly combined with modern technology. One notable example is the steam room and bathroom area, which are enclosed in a metal cube with a parametrically designed perforation. Created using CNC machines, this design controls the visual permeability between spaces while beautifully filtering natural light. It's a perfect illustration of how technology can enhance the quality of traditional craftsmanship. The materials used in Fluid Home are also worth appreciating. The project employs natural materials that provide an organic and timeless feel. Wood, rough-cut or split porphyry stone, travertine, and orosil stones are some of the key materials utilized. Each material is treated differently to bring out its inherent beauty. The result is a rich and varied texture, creating a harmonious atmosphere between natural elements and modern architecture. Various innovations and design expertise showcased in Fluid Home by Alessandro Isola demonstrate how architecture can respond to changing life needs in a creative and flexible way. This house is not just a place to live, but a space that facilitates interaction, comfort, and timeless beauty. From the use of natural materials to the application of modern technology, every detail of this home provides inspiration for those seeking a flexible and multifunctional design. Thank you for joining this tour of such an inspiring home design. Don't forget to explore more design inspirations, only on Block 7.